Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. So these two are the method that will convert finite automata to regular expression by state elimination method or by using Arden's theorem. We can convert finite automata to regular expression. Okay. So here rules are saying that first rule is saying that initial state should not have initial state should not have any incoming initial state should not have any incoming initial state should not have any, please write it with along with me. Initial state should not have any incoming edge, and if the initial state and if the initial state if the initial state have incoming edge, the initial have in, then we are supposed to create the initial state should not have any incoming edge, and if the initial state have incoming edge, then and if the initial state have incoming edge, then we are supposed to then we are supposed to then we are create a if the initial state have incoming edge, then we are supposed to create a new initial state and new initial state and and we create we create the new initial state in such a way that true such a way that to epsilon we reach the can reach can reach previous can reach the see what I mean. Just look here, I am saying that if initial state is having the incoming edge, this is the initial state having a incoming edge, then you have to create a new initial state in such a way that by only getting epsilon it should reach to the previous initial state. So it is saying rule 1 is saying that initial state should not have any incoming edge. If it is having any incoming edge, then from initial state by only getting epsilon it should reach the previous initial state. Okay, and rest will remain same. See, I have written initial state should not have any incoming edge, and if the initial state have incoming edge, then we are supposed to create a new initial state. We are supposed to create a new initial state, and we create the new initial state in such a way that through epsilon move we can reach the previous initial state. This is rule 1. In the final state, the final state, there could there could not be any there could not be any there could not be any outgoing there could not be any outgoing edges there could not be any outgoing edges and if the final state if the final state have outgoing edges the final state have outgoing edge and if the final state have outgoing edge, this also write this, okay, final state have outgoing edge, then we have to create a new final state such that from previous final state by only getting by only getting epsilon, it go to the new final. We have to final state as on final. We have to make previous one on final. So here what I mean that if the final state is having the outgoing edge, then you have to create a new final state. Such that by only getting epsilon, it's reach the new final. And you have to make the previous final as non-final. Correct. So there should be only one final state and if we have more than one final state then we have to then should we should converge it into one final state by constructing a new final state such that Salon move from all the previous final state we reach new final state and make all the previous final state as non-final. Non-final, I will write in name non-final. Okay. So here I am saying that there should be only one final state, and if we have more than one final state, then we should converge it into one final state by constructing a new final state such that with epsilon move from all previous final state we reach the new final state and make all the previous final state as non-final state. For example, this is a it is having more than one final state. Then how to convert it into? Just create a new final state and make all previous final as non-final, and from all the previous non-final by only getting epsilon it's reach the new final. That I mean, you have to convert like this. You have to create a new final state and you have to make all the previous final state as non-final in such a way that by only getting epsilon it should reach the new final state. Am I clear? Satisfying these three rule, satisfying these three rule, then other than the then other than the initial state, other than the initial state and final state, other than the initial state and final state, eliminate the remaining state, eliminate the remaining states one by one, eliminate the remaining state one by one in any order, eliminate the remaining state one by one in any order, okay, in any order without changing the transition function, without changing the transition function, without changing the transition function, then we will get the this is called as gate elimination. So it is saying that after satisfying these three, then other than the initial state and final state, eliminate the remaining state one by one in any order without changing the transition function, then we will get the regular expression. This is called state elimination method. In a brief, it's saying that initial state should not have incoming edge. If it is having any incoming edge, then you have to create a new initial state such that only by getting epsilon it should reach the previous initial state. Second point is saying that final state should not have any outgoing edge. If it is having outgoing edge, then create a new final state such that by only getting epsilon from previous final state it should reach the new final state. And third point, it's saying there should not be any final state, more than one final state. If it is having more than one final state, then you have to converge more than one final state into one final state. Okay, that we have seen. And after satisfying these three rules, you can eliminate the state, means delete the state in any order other than initial and final state, and you are going to get the regular expression, means without changing the transition. Means if you are deleting something, then its delta should not get changed.